Hey guys, good afternoon. It's Tony here. I don't know why I wanted to look into Bitcoin, but I did see that big drop that was going on right now. And as of right now, on the day chart, it does look like we've been creating a top for a very long time, especially on the stochastic, and it does look like we're creating a little bit of a, I don't want to say a complete bearish trend, but weaker. There's signs of bullish. Kind of bullish movement weakening a little bit, right? So let's dig a little bit deeper into the 4 hour chart. As of right now, I was actually looking at buying some Bitcoin because I was going to transfer it over to my Forex account. But as of right now, the way that I see it, I'm probably going to wait it out. I think I'm going to wait it out till it maybe hits maybe $35,000 again. I do think that it's going to be hitting $35,000. If not, maybe all the way down to 33,000. As of right now, it has been doing a pretty heavy drawdown. On the stochastic, it does look like it's going all the way back down. Usually around the 40 mark range, it tends to bounce back. Right now, it's not at 40 anymore. It's all the way down to 25. So I more than likely do think that we're headed a little bit lower on BTC. That's why I don't want to say completely bearish, but I do think we might end up going all the way back down to 35,000 on BTC. And I think when we hit 35,000, I think that's probably when I'm going to be, buying in a little bit of BTC. Because if I buy it right now, I do think we're still going to keep dropping. I do think the floor right now is going to be, like I said, 35,000, and that's where we're headed. We actually just crossed on the trend line downwards, right? So you guys can see from the fib retracement that I actually added, you guys can see here that there's a trend line going down, right? And we actually just retested above right here, and it does look like we're headed back to either this level of 35,000 or a little bit lower to 33,000. I probably am going to buy about $1,000 of Bitcoin when we do hit 35, but that's just me transferring out money, right? I'm going to buy and then I'm going to transfer that immediately. I just don't want to buy here, and then guess what? My Bitcoin all of a sudden is worth like 2% less. My money is worth like 2% less, 3% less, right? I don't want that. So I am going to wait about 30 till it hits 35,000 to buy less. We did just retest on the top here. So I do think projection right now is down. I don't think it's going to be going down for that long. I do think the floor is going to be somewhere around this range. Like I said, we need to gauge momentum to really see what's going on, right? But as of right now, BTC is going down. BTC is going down. I don't think it's going to rebound off here. On the hour chart, we do look like we're hitting sort of a bottom. I do tend to respect the 4 hour a little bit more just because there's less noise and you can see a bigger picture, right, on the 4 hour. But yeah, as of right now, trend line is right here on the downward side. We did retest on this trend line right now at the at the 12 o'clock noonish California time right now. So we're running on PST. We actually just retested upwards. I do think we're gonna go back down to maybe this level, maybe 33,000. Probably gonna wait and buy a little bit just to transfer money over. But yeah, just a quick update on BTC. I don't know. I don't usually do a quick update. I don't know. I don't usually update a lot on Bitcoin, but I just thought it was kind of funny because it started going down and trending down, and I do think we're going to drop a little bit lower. I do think 35,000, maybe 33,000 is going to be the floor, and then we rebound off there, right? But that's why we keep doing technical analysis every once in a while just to kind of see where the momentum is at, right? So as of right now, I do think 35k 33k is going to be the bottom of the floor. We'll rebound off that and then go up higher, but we'll definitely have to see. We'll definitely have to wait and see, because on the month chart, we're still completely bullish. On the week chart, we're still pretty bullish, even though the stochastic has been hitting highs. The day chart is starting to weaken a little bit on the bullish side, but it's been doing that for a while now, right? Like it's been creating tops for a while, and the stochastic, I don't really think there's a lot to look at right now. It really right now is about the MACD momentum and just kind of following this trend line right here, right? We need to gauge where this is going. But I think for the most part, the 4 hour is going to be a relatively good indication of where Bitcoin's headed. Yeah, we just have to keep an eye on, right? The next time Bitcoin actually does cross this bottom level, like around the 16-15 on the stochastic, I'll probably be buying in. More than likely, I'll be buying in at $35,000. But again, I'm buying $1,000 just to transfer over to my Forex account, because that's how I usually transfer my money. But yeah, as of right now, I do think I'm completely bearish on Bitcoin. I do think we're going to keep dropping till around 35,000, possibly 33,000, create a floor there. Once we hit those numbers, if we do, I'll go back, do more TA, and then I'll update you guys. Have a great day.